Now that we know how to rotate our model on the screen, the next thing we're going to do is get it in position for machining. Using our view buttons, this being top, front, right, and isometric, we can tell that this is not the correct position. The first thing we're going to do is use our select all function to select the model before we start rotating. Once we have our model selected, we are going to create a cross we are going to use to square our model to. By dropping a cross on a square corner of the model, this will allow us to use the rotate function to square up our model to this axis. We're going to use the center and 2 points function to rotate the model to our cross. Because our model is already selected, as you can see it is shown in red, we can hit the middle mouse execute button to select our geometry. Next, if you watch the bottom left-hand corner, it's asking for a center of rotation, which we're going to rotate around the center of our cross. Now we're looking for a start rotation point, which will be this corner, and an end rotation point, which will be this corner. You can see it has now squared that corner up with our cross. We are going to rotate this command for our second axis. Now going back to our top view, you can see we have squared the model up so it is square to our axis. Now that our model is square to our axes we want to machine with, we're going to do a simple 90-degree rotation to get it in the position we want to machine. We're going to hit middle mouse to execute selecting the model. We're going to pick our axis we want to rotate in, and we are going to put in 90 degrees to rotate our model square to how it will sit on our machine. Then we will deselect our model and delete the crosses that will no longer be needed.